We'll guide you through how to create a Gmail account on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're wanting to create a Gmail account. When you have one, you can then go and have an email address and receive emails and send emails with it. And as well as that, you can go and access to different Google services. You can access things like Google Drive, Google Photos, and you can use it on YouTube because it is ultimately a Google account. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. To go and get started, you want to go and get the Gmail app. So you can open up the App Store, press search in the bottom right and press search. Go and type in Gmail like so. Then here it is here. Mine says open, but for you, it'll probably go and say get, and you can go and get it. Press open there, or you can go and find the Gmail app and open it up. Now, what you can do is go and press sign in at the bottom, press add another account, and we can go and select Google at the top here and press continue. Then it's going to say about signing in, but we can go and press create account in the bottom left. Then you can press my personal use. Now, what we can do here is go and start. So you need to go and enter in your first name. Then you need to go and enter in your surname. That is optional. And then you can go and press next. Go and enter in your basic information here. So I'll go and enter in my birthday. And you need to go and enter in your gender as well. Then you can go and press next. Now we can go and create the email address. So this is going to be what we go and have emails sent to, and also we send emails from. So you have to give it to people. So you may want to go make it something a bit different to one of these set ones because there's a lot of numbers in that. So you can press create your own, and then you can go and type it in. Now it's important to note that the email you want may not always be available because everybody has a unique email. So let's go and say I type in Rob Tucker here, and I go and press next. It's going to say it's already taken. So it needs to be something original, and press next. And that is available. Then what we can do here is go and enter in a password. Make something secure and something you're going to remember because you're going to go and be using it in order to go and sign into your account. You can then go and add a phone number. I'm going to go and press skip in the bottom left, and then you can review it, and we can go and press next. We can go and choose the settings here. So you can go and choose it in 1 step or 4. It's going to be up to you, and we can go and press next. So you can then go through here, and if you agree to them, you can go and press accept all or reject all. It's up to you. I accept all though. Confirm the settings here. Make sure you read it through. I have, and you can press confirm at the bottom. Once again, you need to go and read through the privacy and terms here, and you can then press I agree in the bottom right. And now the account is being made. You can then go and see the account there like so, and we've got it enabled. So you can then go and press done, and I'll go and have smart features turned on. These are going to be up to you. And that's it. You now go and have your inbox, and you can go and start sending and receiving emails. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you with another how-to in the future. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. And feel free to go and check out the channel for more how-tos.